Hello everyone, welcome to Shekhar's History classes. As part of historiography, let us learn what is the contribution of Alexander Cunningham. He is Alexander Cunningham. He is considered as father of Indian archaeology. With respect to Indian archaeology, he played a very crucial role in identifying and properly studying various Buddhist monuments like Sanchi, Saranath, Bodh Gaya. He also discovered seals related to Harappa also. Even though he could not pursue further with respect to Indus Valley civilization, but his contribution in understanding India's archaeology was enormous during 1860s and 70s. And one more factor why in 1860s archaeological survey became important phenomena means in 1857 Indians revolted, that we call the Great Revolt. 1857. Initially, British scholars were feeling that Indians can be converted like British in thought. But after 1857 revolt, British scholars felt that Indians cannot be changed because Indians had great deep roots of cultural roots. They felt that they do not know, still they have to do more research. And in that process, in 1860s onwards, interest generated more and more about India's archaeology. In 1861, Archaeological Survey of India was established. In 1870s, Alexander Cunningham became the first Director General of ASI. That is how Alexander Cunningham played a very important role in systematizing the study of our past, India's past. Earlier also some people contributed in unearthing some monuments, but it was not scientific. Whereas Alexander Cunningham made it more scientific discipline, and that's why he is like a bridge between the previous generation and more advanced ASI activities. So this is how Alexander Cunningham played very important role in Indian archaeology. And during that time period, James Prinsep also became inspirational for Alexander Cunningham. In 1837, he deciphered Brahmi script. It helped James Prinsep and other European scholars to read our inscriptions. Ashoka inscriptions are given in Brahmi script and they were able to read. And in fact, that generated more curiosity among European scholars to know more about India's past. In that way, Alexander Cunningham became first Director General. He was called father of Indian archaeology. And with respect to examination, suppose if question related to UPS, Harappa also you can write, you can mention like Harappan seals discovered by Alexander Cunningham. And with respect to prehistoric period, in ancient time period, prehistoric period, Archaeological Survey of India, very important in unearthing so many prehistoric sites. Alexander Cunningham you can use, and also James Prinsep also you can connect. Specifically in history optional mains, you will not write about the essays about these people. Only in 1 or 2 sentences you are going to utilize them. But while you are learning about them, you will come to know in which context these European scholars are working. And that broader context will help you to analyze better. All right. Thank you. Thank you very much.